Hey, it's Barry Felice Window Repair here in Cape May County. If you're going to tilt your windows in for easy cleaning, a word of caution: you got to do it properly, or you're going to disengage things or possibly break something. Number one, the window has to go up about maybe 3 or 4 inches, okay? Because there's pivot pins in the bottom that sit in some shoes, and if you don't bring it up a little bit, you're going to probably break them. Okay, so you bring the window up. On this particular one, the Anderson has these little tabs you pull down, okay, on either side. Hopefully you can see it. I'm doing this without any help here, no fancy video crew. Okay, and then you tilt it in, okay, and then you can wash it. And you're going to bring these plastic tabs back up. But this applies to any double hung window. Vinyl, Pella, Marvin, you name it. You have to bring the window up, or you're gonna damage something or disengage something. Okay. You can reach me at 609-889-9500. Thank you.